what is a transition flight? Transition flight for an eVTOL like Horizon Skybrite X7 is about taking off vertically, transitioning to forward flight. So that means wing-borne lift with the wings closed like a traditional airplane, and then reopening the covers before descending back to the ground with one complete safe flight.
Kirk, autopilot systems ready.
Autopilot connected and ready.
Yes, aircraft systems ready. Aircraft systems ready. Kirk, I am ready for auto mission start.
Roger that. Auto starting in 3, 2, 1, now.
At 32 meters.
There's okay. Close canard.
Closing canard. Close main wing. Closing main. Covers closed and locked.
It's a huge milestone for the business. It's something we've been excited to share with the world, our progress. It puts us among a very small group of companies that have achieved this technical milestone. Most of all, it validates the extremely hard work that the teams put in.
The achievement to me, first of all, is a chance to come with a concept, turn it into reality, and make the dream come true. And it's really something to have a concept and whenever it's going to work, but to actually get to take it from the concept stages right through to seeing it fly is just an incredible journey, and it's hard to put in words.
Well, for me, honestly, I mean, it's really amazing and also humbling. So this has been the culmination of about a decade of work, again, with an amazing team that's grown from very small to now quite large, and seeing the technology validated, coming up from the concept all the way through with a very sort of operational focus to develop some technology that actually works in the real world right now. And to move on to build a full-scale aircraft that's going to change the way we move around the planet, it's awesome. Couldn't be happier.